petualangan mereka di Jakarta masih berlanjut. Dengan penuh antusias, pasangan bule Inggris ini menuju salah satu lokasi yang sudah lama ingin mereka kunjungi. Namun sesampainya di sana, mereka justru menemukan situasi yang tidak mereka duga sebelumnya.
It looks so old. You've got a massive staircase. I'm dark here. With loads of pictures. Wow, this is really cool. Thank you.
Thank you. It's very snazzy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very snazzy. I think it's kind of like almost like a novelty tourist place that everyone has to
Di
go
tengah
to.
perjalanan, pasangan bule ini memilih menikmati waktu sejenak di Cafe Batavia. Sambil melihat suasana di sekeliling mereka, keduanya tampak tak sabar menunggu makanan yang telah dipesan.
Bright green at the bottom. Apparently pandam is a leaf. That's all I saw from Google. I'm guessing it's this leaf. And then you have coffee in there. Let's have a sip. Oh, it does taste grassy but in a nice way. It tastes kind of like cake. I really like that.
Yeah, so whilst this probably isn't the most authentic Indonesian restaurant, and it's obviously very touristy,
Tak lama kemudian, hidangan yang mereka tunggu akhirnya tiba di meja. Melihat sajian yang tersusun rapi di hadapan mereka, pasangan bule Inggris ini tampak semakin antusias. Kini saatnya mereka mencicipi langsung pengalaman kuliner di tempat bersejarah ini.
It's like really tender, spiced and flavoured beef. It's so good. Oh yeah, that's good too.
It tastes like pulled pork, but like very curry, really strong cumin. I feel like turmeric. It tastes like kind of Indian-y rather than like soy saucy, but yeah, it's really nice.
Saat mulai menyantap hidangan, pasangan bule ini langsung terlihat puas. Daging yang empuk dan cita rasa yang kaya membuat mereka semakin menikmati makan siang kali ini. Tak heran jika senyum bahagia terus terlihat di wajah keduanya.
Destination. I think we're going to try and get the metro there, so that should be exciting.
Setelah menikmati hidangan mereka, pasangan bule ini kembali melanjutkan petualangan. Kali ini, mereka menuju stasiun untuk mencoba salah satu moda transportasi yang banyak digunakan warga Jakarta setiap harinya. Dengan penuh antusias, keduanya bersiap merasakan pengalaman pertama naik KRL.
We don't know what station we're getting off at. But there's even a guy going up and down Moppin, so it's like really high tech and really cool and super easy to get around. So that's surprising. I wasn't expecting that at all in Jakarta. It was literally like probably better than the British Railways.
Selama perjalanan, si bule wanita mengaku terkejut melihat kebersihan dan fasilitas di dalam KRL. Menurutnya, transportasi ini terasa modern, nyaman, dan sangat memudahkan perjalanan. Tak lama kemudian, mereka pun tiba di tujuan dan melanjutkan petualangan berikutnya.
Yeah, and then the whole train stopped what they're doing to help us. So yeah, proper clean though. So it's still a 16-minute walk away from where we are. So it's absolutely massive, this city. We're just outside the famous mosque in Jakarta, and we're just trying to work out how to get in because there's loads of gates.
Setelah turun dari KRL, pasangan bule ini melanjutkan perjalanan dengan berjalan kaki. Sambil menuruni tangga menuju area bawah, mereka tampak kagum melihat besarnya kawasan di sekitar stasiun. Si bule pria pun menjelaskan bahwa tujuan mereka berikutnya adalah Masjid Istiqlal, salah satu ikon terkenal di Jakarta.
Hi, Win. The mosque is closed until 3, well, for tourists,
So
obviously.
it's closed for another hour, basically.
Yeah, so we're
Give you
gonna,
context.
yeah. So we're gonna head to the National Monument, which is only a 20-minute walk from here.
Di depan Masjid Istiqlal, ternyata kunjungan turis masih ditutup sampai pukul 3 sore. Jadi mereka belum bisa masuk dan harus menunggu sekitar 1 jam. Situasi itu malah jadi sedikit lucu karena perjalanan sudah sampai tujuan tapi akses belum dibuka. Akhirnya tanpa menunggu lama, mereka lanjut jalan menuju Monumen Nasional, Monas, yang hanya sekitar 20 menit jalan kaki dari sana.
I love how there's like nothing around it. You know what I mean? It's like surrounded by a park with like no kind of tall trees or high buildings. So it kind of just
Looks
and
so
you've just got this
dramatic.
thing in the middle, yeah.
Yeah, and then you got the skyscrapers in the background. Now this looks sick.
And like clearly all the expensive skyscrapers are around it to get like a look out.
Di Monumen Nasional, Monas, pasangan bule sudah masuk lewat gerbang dan berjalan di area taman. Si bule pria terlihat kagum, bilang suasananya sangat terbuka dan luas, seperti taman besar di tengah kota, dengan Monas berdiri di pusat dan gedung-gedung tinggi terlihat jelas di belakangnya.
In this corridor right now. Oh my god.
Just pretend you're going to buy a ticket and then go to the monument and just sit in the
Oh,
aircon.
someone was sat on the floor there just getting the aircon. This is lovely, isn't it? We were saying it wasn't as hot as Bangkok, but after doing that walk, it is pretty
Still
hot.
don't think it is, but it's still 30 degrees.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you can
Pasangan
see.
bule itu masuk lewat koridor dan langsung terlihat kagum dengan suasananya yang luas dan rapi. Begitu sampai di pelataran utama, mereka berhenti sebentar, menikmati pandangan terbuka ke seluruh area dan skyline kota di kejauhan.
If you was to go to the top, it would be amazing.
Yeah, you got the mosque over there. You can see the very top of the cathedral over there as well.
Sometimes you win them, sometimes you lose them, sometimes you just get to go to the second floor.
Yeah, it's all good, isn't
That's
it?
us. It is what it is.
Yeah. I'm absolutely loving Jakarta though. I feel like it's super clean, really safe. Like, I don't know.
Sambil menikmati pemandangan di sekelilingnya, pasangan bule itu tampak semakin terkesan dengan suasana yang mereka lihat. Keindahan kawasan tersebut bahkan membuat si bule wanita mengungkapkan kekagumannya terhadap Indonesia, terutama karena menurutnya kota ini terlihat bersih dan indah.
This is turning into an absolute nightmare. So there's a sign on it saying Tuesdays and Thursdays, it's Thursday's Day, closed 1 till 3. So we came back just after 3, and then on the normal schedule, it misses 3:30, so it's not till 4.
So
I
there's a
don't
break
think
half free till 4.
yes, which is the time that we.
Setelah kembali ke tujuan sebelumnya, pasangan bule itu sudah berada di depan gerbang Masjid Istiqlal. Namun di luar dugaan, akses kunjungan masih belum dibuka. Padahal waktu yang diperkirakan sebelumnya sudah lewat, sehingga mereka harus menunggu lebih lama dari yang direncanakan.
Like the calls to prayer, if that's what they're called.
So do we wait 40 minutes or do we just cut our losses and maybe we'll be able to see it another time? Because this won't be the last time we're in Jakarta.
Try that. That tastes
Oh, is
like
it orange juice?
sucking the inside of an orange. No, do you know what I mean? Like
Oh, yeah.
Sambil menunggu, pasangan bule itu memilih beristirahat sejenak sambil menikmati segarnya jus jeruk dan es campur di sekitar kawasan tersebut. Perjalanan hari itu pun ditutup dengan suasana santai dan penuh kesan positif. Jika kalian menikmati cerita perjalanan seperti ini, jangan lupa tekan like, subscribe, dan aktifkan lonceng notifikasi agar tidak ketinggalan petualangan berikutnya. Keindahan sebuah perjalanan bukan hanya tentang tujuan yang dicapai, tetapi juga pengalaman yang ditemukan di sepanjang jalan.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord.